Personally, I was not beaten, but some of the children were beaten. You know, children, some of them are quiet, some of them are loud. And what they hate most is noise, that it attracts attention. So the youngest of them, maybe the two, Waliya and Salam, they were the ones that took the best of the beating.
There are times that we had hope that we will all come out alive. Mr. Michael was killed on the second day we got there, but Deacon was killed on the first Sunday of June. The first Sunday of June. They killed them purposely because they felt that would force the hand of the government to give them whatever they tried a lot, but we're grateful that we have the government that thought much of us. We discovered that the whole world was interested in our case. We thought. So all we want to say is thank you very much to everybody, especially the officers, the governor, the president, everyone that has been involved in this case. We have scars already. We believe with time we will heal. And we pray that those that lost their lives, the Lord will console the family. So on behalf of everyone, we are saying thank you from the depth of our hearts. We appreciate you so much. We appreciate all you have done, the effort you have put in, so that we all came out alive. Thank you so much. May the Lord continue to bless you all.
And imagine it, even it's like believing it. It was not easy. We were in the forest, in the open, most of the time, under the sun, under the rain, with the children. But we kept going because there was no way out. We knew it's God that could only help us. So that really helped us. And the fact that we believe that people are praying for us, that also helped us as well. And I cannot say it's not God, because sometimes things we go through, you think that when you break down, that will be the end. But you just survive it. Personally, I was not beaten, but some of the children were beaten. You know, children, some of them are quiet, some of them are loud. And what they hate most is noise, that it attracts attention. So the youngest of them, maybe the two, Waliya and Salam, they were the ones that took the best of the beating. They will close their mouth, tie it with clothes, and beat them very well. Then the men, they had it worse than us, because they were blindfolded, handcuffed, and chained on the leg. All of them until they remained two. So,
was there any form of molestation on anybody?
Sexual molestation? No.
Mrs. Richard,
I want to see my husband. When I get home, I can think of any other thing. But definitely, it has to be something that will be good for me. We sacked them off. When we started, the first week, they were bringing biscuits for them, maybe to make them comfortable. But along the line, that stopped. Then we had to move from one point to another. And that was a major problem we had. When the place is discovered, we have to move, and that starts around 7, 8 in the night. Sometimes we walk 3, 4 hours. That is most of the bruises you see on our bodies.
Children?
Yes. They carry the last 3: Salam, Waliyat, and Testimony. The girls, the secondary school girls, will carry the tail. The other ones, they will have to walk. We will fall sometimes. A lot. When we were taken, my car was used to convey us to a point. That was where we met the primary pupils and the teacher. So we had to walk for about 1 hour. They brought bicycle machine and about 10 of them. So we were parked there. And we rode for more than 4 hours, uncharted paths, but they knew their way. What actually happened, I thought they left the car there, the police will have towed the car to their office, but somebody showed me the car where it was burnt, and that was not the part we took. So I think they drove it to that point before it was touched. That was not the way we took into the forest. Going to rural area will take the grace of God. You know, with time, I've worked for 28 years, so I have 4 years. With time, maybe I can get over it, but going that far, the distance between that place and Ogbomosho is far already. So I sacrifice a lot when it comes to transportation. Now, coupled with this, I don't know what will happen, but
It's great way. Where is Isa? Let the next post go. Next post go. Lisa, testimony. Go ahead. Please make way. Go with them. Testimony.